7.4J. This question is a public exam question. It comes from DSE 2012. Let's have a look all together. Let's see be the cost of painting a kind of surface area A meter square. This is the cost C and the surface area A. It is given that C is the sum of two parts. Okay, that means C comes from two parts. The first part is a constant, that means K1, and the other part varies as A, so K2A, right? Now, when A equals 2, C equals 62. When A equals 6, C equals 74. That means two sets of relations. Part A. Find the cost of painting a kind of surface area 13 meters square. You found that direct ask you a question like part B, right? So part A, you need to do it by yourself. That means in this question, to solve or to find equation between C and A by yourself. Okay? Haven't asked you, but you need to do it. Okay? So part A, let's see. Let C equals K1 plus K2A, where K1 and K2 are non-zero constants, right? So 62 equals K1 plus K2 times 2. 74 equals K1 plus K2 times 6. So I take the second equation minus the first equation, then you can eliminate K1. That means 74 minus 62 equals 6K2 minus 2K2. So what is K2? Yeah, 3. Then how about K1? K1, maybe 62 equals K1 plus 2 times 3. So K1, 56, right? It's the result C equals 56 plus 3A. K2 is 3, K1 is 56. Goes on. Now when surface area equals 13, so A equals 13. So C equals 56 plus 3 times 13, right? So you see that this one equals 95. As a result, the cost of painting a kind of surface area 30 meters square is $95. Okay, remember the sign, okay, I mean the units of the answer. Okay, great. Part B, let's read the question. Just now we haven't. Now there is a larger can which is similar to the can described in A. So here, part B, there is a larger can which is similar to the can described in A. One word, similar. Okay, so you need to use some ratio to help you later. The volume of the larger can is 8 times that of the can described in A. Find the cost of the painting of a larger can. Okay, so what can we do? Remember, area and the length A1, A2, you can relate it to the length of the ratio, and remember take square will equals to this one. How about the volume? Yeah, take cube will be the ratio of volume, right? Okay, now let A pi be the area of the larger can. Okay, so for this one, you see that larger can which similar to the can described in A, and here is about the volume is 8 times that's described in A, so 8 times, that means 1 to 8, the smaller one and the larger one. Because A is the larger one, so if the ratio is 8 to 1, how to rewrite this part? We know that here A pi we don't know, and then we know that this one is 13 in the surface area, but this one is area ratios, not the ratio of lengths. So what can we do? Not the ratio of lengths, that means we can do it like this. Take the square root, then becomes the ratio of length, and take cube. Understand? Take the square root, then becomes the ratio of the length, and later on take cube becomes the ratio of volume, right? So as a result, this one, both sides take cube root first, A pi over 13. This one take a cube root, that means 2, and all take square, so A pi over 13 equals 4, right? So A pi equals 52, right? Then we can use the formula above, so C equals 56 plus 3 times area, 52, and you see that this one is 212. So as a result, the cost of painting the larger area, a larger can, I mean the larger can is $212. Okay, and you found that this question similar to the one above. Do you remember? DSE 2002, right? Just now about the question of bookmark. Use similar figure, similar area, and this time related to area and also volume. So after understand the variation, then link up with the other field of question. So hope you understand clearly about this question. Try your best.